So we only have a couple of paragraph styles in this document, but one of the key aspects of using styles is that it ensures consistency across a publication. So that means if you have several people working together collaborating on one project, it would be really important, I'd say even vital, that everybody use the same paragraph styles. Therein lies the consistency. So with that in mind, InDesign allows you to import, essentially share, paragraph styles and character styles from one publication to another. To load those styles, just go to the panel menu in the Paragraph Styles panel and choose Load Paragraph Styles. You could also load all text styles, and that would load character and paragraph styles. The reality is both of these commands lead you to the exact same dialog box, so let's take a look. I'll choose Load Paragraph Styles, and we're going to navigate from our desktop to your project files, Part 1, Lesson 10, and we'll select the invitation.indd document. So with invitation selected, go ahead and click Open. And here in the Load Styles dialog box, we have a few decisions to make. Here we have a list of all of the styles that are included in that invitation document. As we scroll down the list, we see that we not only have paragraph styles here that are indicated by the paragraph marker, but indicated by the A, we also have some character styles. So we can choose Check All, Uncheck All, or toggle individual styles as we need them. I'm going to go ahead and choose Check All. If you're uncertain about a specific style, whether you need it or not, you can choose it here in the list, and at the bottom you can see the incoming style definition. It's a little geeky, but if you read through that, you can understand everything that's been defined in that style. You can also, if you have an existing style here in your current document, and you're importing an incoming style from another document, you can compare them left and right and decide which one you want by choosing use the incoming definition, or you might want to auto rename them so there's not a collision. In this case, I actually don't want to replace my basic paragraph style, so I will deselect that one, import the rest, go ahead and click OK. And now here in the Paragraph Styles panel, you can see we already had body copy and body copy intro, and now we have several new paragraph styles. When we jump over to the Character Styles panel, you can see the Berliner Silver and the Vertical Lines character styles that we also imported. Again, this makes it easy to have consistency among multiple users across multiple documents, all working with InDesign. Now there is one other way to get other styles into your InDesign document, and that's by actually placing Microsoft Word documents. So let's grab the selection tool, the black arrow tool, click off here in the pasteboard so nothing is selected, and we'll choose File, Place. Let's navigate to Lesson 10 of Part 1 of your project files and select the Word Styles document. Go ahead and click Open. You might have a mismatched font here. Don't worry about that because we don't really need this content. But go ahead and click OK. And then you can click and drag anywhere, off in the pasteboard or on the side. If you have this pink missing font warning, don't worry about it. We don't actually need the text. But what I want to show you is let's jump over to the Paragraph Styles panel here. We have a new style that's been added by virtue of placing that Word document. Again, every Word document has a normal style. In most cases, you'd want to remap that using Word style mapping to an existing InDesign style. However, if you don't do that remapping, InDesign will import the content. It will also import the styles from your Word document. So if you see a style inside of your Styles panels that has this little floppy disk icon next to it, you know where those came from. Those came from a placed Microsoft Word document.